Hey everyone, welcome back to What Now Decoded. Today, we're going to talk about a fun and valuable topic, learning to cook. Cooking is a skill that's not only useful but also enjoyable. It's a great way to bond with loved ones, explore new flavors and ingredients, and create delicious dishes that make your taste buds dance. However, starting in the kitchen can be daunting. But remember, every chef was once a beginner too. Start with simple recipes, learn the basics like knife skills and proper measurements, and most importantly, have fun in the process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow as a cook. Now, one of the best ways to learn is by doing and hearing from others. Share your favorite recipes or cooking tips in the comments below. Who knows, maybe you'll inspire someone else to start their cooking journey. So, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like if you found this video helpful or entertaining. Until next time, happy cooking!